In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create flashcards with pictures using Microsoft Word. Flashcards are a great way to study, memorize information, or even create educational tools for students. And Word makes it surprisingly easy to design them with text and images. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods so you can pick the one that works best for your needs. The first method uses tables. Start by opening a new document in Microsoft Word. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and select Table. Choose a table layout with 2 columns and as many rows as you need for your flashcards. Each cell of the table will serve as one flashcard. Adjust the cell size by clicking and dragging the borders so that each card is a suitable size for printing and handling. Next, click inside a cell to add your content. You can type the term, question, or concept you want to study on one side of the card. To add a picture, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select an image from your computer. Resize and position the image as needed. Repeat this process for each flashcard in the table. Once all your flashcards are created, you can print the document and cut along the table lines to make individual cards. The second method uses text boxes for more flexibility in design. Open a blank Word document and go to the Insert tab. Click on Text Box and choose a simple text box style. Draw the text box on your page and adjust the size to your preferred flashcard dimensions. Inside the text box, type the information you want on the flashcard. To add an image, click inside the text box, go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, and choose your image. You can move and resize the picture to fit nicely with your text. Once you finish one flashcard, copy and paste the text box multiple times to create additional cards. This method is useful if you want custom layouts, overlapping images, or decorative borders on each card. With both methods, remember to save your document before printing. For printing, it's best to use thicker paper or cardstock so that the flashcards are durable and easy to handle. You can also print on both sides if you want to have a question on one side and the answer on the other. And that's how you can quickly create flashcards with pictures using Microsoft Word using these two methods. Both are simple, effective, and customizable to fit any study or teaching needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.